We are all busy. That's just the way life is. We've got work, we've got family, we've got a million other obligations pulling us in a million different directions. So our rationalization for not creating is, I don't have the time. But the thing is, you do have the time. There is plenty of time to create as long as you do so just a little bit each day. Now notice I said a little bit each day. You have to realize you're not going to write the next great American novel or paint the next Mona Lisa all in one day. Things like that take time, lots of time. But there are little bits of time each day where if you use that time to create and you do it every single day, those little bits of time will add up into a big thing and you'll be able to get it done. A few years ago, I made a commitment to myself to do one creative thing every single day, no matter how big or how small it is. Some days the creative thing is just writing out a few script ideas. Sometimes the creative thing is editing some video or getting a podcast ready to go out. The point is that I wake up every single morning and I say to myself, today I am going to get one creative thing done, no matter how big or how small it is. And I find by doing that, I get a lot of stuff done. Now, some days I get the whole day to work on creative projects, but for the most part, I just get a little bit of time in the morning and maybe a little bit of time before bed to work on those creative projects. But I found by doing it every single day, the work gets done. Let's take writing, for example. Writing 250 words a day, every day, for 1 year will get you 91,250 words by the end of the year. You have just written a novel. You have just written one novel in 1 year by writing 250 words a day. Now, writing 250 words a day takes me about 20 minutes or so. I never said that they were good words, but looking at other disciplines, what could you do if you painted for 20 minutes a day, or practiced the piano, or did songwriting for 20 minutes a day? That's 7,300 minutes a year, 121 hours, and some change a year. What could you create in that time? Now, I completely understand you might not have 20 minutes a day to work on something, but do you have 10? Do you have even 5? Every little bit adds up. And maybe it's 10 minutes one day and 20 the next day. It doesn't matter. Little by little, the creative work will get done and you will create. And that's not even the best part. Imagine how good you will feel if you commit to creating something, no matter how small, every single day. You'll rest well in the knowledge that your art, your passion, your creativity is slowly getting done and that you are keeping your creative energy flowing. Start tomorrow. Or today, if you've got some time left. Plan out when you're going to steal away for 20 or 10 or 5 minutes and then create. Thanks for watching.